How to fix Instagram could not refresh feed. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will learn how we can fix if you are facing the Instagram could not refresh feed error. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First and foremost, check your internet connection. If you have a poor or bad internet connection, then that might be the reason why your Instagram could not refresh feed. So in that case, check your internet connection and ensure you have strong internet. You can try to switch between your Wi-Fi network and your mobile data to see if the issue is network related. But if that's not your case, the second method is to check for the Instagram application update. If the application is out of update, then the application may not function properly and may not be able to refresh their feed. So in that case, you have to open a Play Store in your device. Navigate to bottom right corner and then search for Instagram and check if the application needs to be updated. If the update is available, tap on update and update the application. Once the update is complete, go back and check whether your problem is solved or not. If that still does not help you, then you have to clear the application cache. For that, open up settings, tap on apps. You can tap on see all apps using the search icon at the top right. Search for Instagram, and once you land on the app info page of Instagram, tap on stories and cache. Here, tap on clear cache, and once you do that, go back. From this page, tap on permissions and make sure that you have all of the required permissions for the Instagram application. Now you can restart your application. You can close the application completely. Again, restart the application and check if the issue is solved or not. If that still does not help you, then reinstall the Instagram. For that, uninstall the application completely, reinstall it from the Play Store and log in back again and check whether your problem is solved or not. So these are some of the ways that will help you fix if the Instagram could not refresh feed in your device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.